IDEX is short for Independent Dual Extruder System, which means the printer has two printheads that operate independently from each other. IDEX 3D printers are capable of printing models in duplication mode, mirror mode, dual color, or dual material. Duplicate mode enables both extruders to print the same object at the same time, which doubles productivity and is most ideal for small batch manufacturing. Mirror mode allows users to print an object alongside its inverse simultaneously, which is especially convenient in medical and footwear applications. IDEX is also great for printing dual color or dual material models. When one nozzle is printing, the other one sits idle. This is great for preventing material oozing and affecting print quality. IDEX technology is great for increasing productivity and delivering high-quality dual extruder prints. Thank you for watching.